Let's solve this practice problem. During the morning rounds, nurse AJ accompanied the physician in every patient room, right? The physician writes order for the client with diabetic mellitus. Which order would the nurse validate with the physician? So the question is asking which order nurse needs to clarify with the doctor. Option A. So pause your video and try to solve yourself. So let's figure it out the right answer. So we're gonna do eliminate one at a time, right? Let's work on option A. Which order nurse need to clarify, right? So let's do option A. Use Humalog insulin for sliding scale coverage. So that is a right answer. Why? Because when you start working, you will see that you have to check patient sugar check 3 to 4 times in a day. So based on the sliding scale, you are going to give Humalog. So it will be written as like this: give Humalog if give 1 unit if sugar is 100 to 150, like that, right? So you got my point, right? So option A is right. Next is metformin glucophage 1000 milligram per day in divided dose. So option B is also right, because metformin is given like twice a day in divided doses. So one in the morning, one in the evening. So that would be correct answer as well. Option C, administer regular insulin 30 minutes prior to meals. That is also right. It says give a regular insulin 30 minutes prior to the meals, which is also right. And option D, Lantus insulin 20U BID. So there is a problem the way they wrote this order. So that's mean this order would be nurse need to clarify. Now the reason is why we gonna clarify, because Lantus is a long acting medication, right? It has no peak time. It is a slow steady provide insulin throughout the day, right? It has no peak time, and also it is only given mostly once a day, not twice a day, once a day. And also the way they wrote 20 unit is confusing. It's not appropriate for medical way to write. So instead of 20 you have to write fully like 20 units insulin. So that's the way we have to write. That's why this answer is wrong. The way they wrote it, instead of once a day, it's written give twice a day, and instead of 20 units it's written as 20U, which may confuse to new nurses. That's why the nurse need to clarify this order. So answer D is your correct answer.